Hello everyone, Sire here. Thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing of Buttons Galore and More. I think I realized that this is every 8 months. I have to double check. I'm sorry. I keep thinking I know the answer, but then I keep doubting myself. But I think it's every 8 months now. So that's this time of year, and I have no idea what's in it. I tried really hard to not look. So let's open this up. I did already cut the box just to make sure that it was ready for this recording. And what do we got here? Okay, so the looks like this box is Magic Meadow. Okay, so let's see what's in it. And of course, I'm going to take it off camera because we do not want to be spoiled with seeing everything. And I will do my oohs and ahs just for suspense as I look through this. And I'm going to have this little sheet right beside me. So let's see if I can figure out these names here. So the first one is Spring Daisies, and it comes in 2 different colors. And I'm just going to open these up. And we have some whites and yellow, I guess. It's coral and yellow and white and yellow. And these nice little flowers. So those are good for shakers and whatnot. Next, we have this box exclusive. And so there we go. This is what it looks like. We did get some of these in a previous kit, but what's interesting is it actually has some stars added to it. So star confetti. And it kind of creates this galaxy feel to it. It's actually really, really interesting. I like it. I love that shine. I definitely do recommend that you do not just willy-nilly open that one up because the static does cause those stars to jump around. Then we have this one. This is another box exclusive. Very pretty. Very pretty. There we go. Look at this one. This one's fun. This is very autumnish, if that's a word. I don't think that's a word. It's perfect for autumn. I think these colors are just gorgeous. And I love these big flowers. You got daisies here. And even these little seed beads are gold color and maybe bronze, I think, are in there too. And you got these little small daisies right in the corner there. This is a great mix. Like I said, fall is perfect for this, but you know, you definitely can get some summer in there because these almost look like marigold colors if you're familiar with those, and they come in the orange, red, and yellow. Once again, these ones did spill out. So you got to be careful with some of these, but that's part of the fun. Definitely part of the fun. Okay, so here's a subscription box. I'm just going to dump these ones out. You got some tags here. Spring and Grow. And then these really fun, they're frosted, almost like sea glass buttons. You see that? And they come in purple, yellow, and pink. Really pretty. And they're very light and they feel really nice in the hands. I really like they almost feel, I really like just shaking the sound and everything. That sounds nice. It's really nice. The next one is this box exclusive, and the bag did break, but that's perfectly fine. They're all right here, ready to be shown. And these are smiley face flowers. And these are little buttons, and look how adorable those are. I keep saying I'm going to be using these things, and I keep forgetting to use them and not inspiring myself. So once again, I hope I can use these. I mean, they're just getting cuter and cuter. They're just begging to be used. One day, I will surprise you. You won't be expecting it, but look how cute those are. And now that I got them all in here, what I will do is do a little repair with a piece of tape here. I don't need to do this, but I'm going to. Now they're nice and sealed again. Okay, what do we got next? We have a box exclusive Flower Power. So these are flower buttons that just don't have any backings. They're nice and flat, so you can just glue those right on, or you can thread them. You can have some fun with those, and they're following the same color with the yellow, pink, green, and purple that matches these other ones here. I'm gonna get these out of the light so you can actually see them. My bad. Yeah, let's just, yeah, that's good. Let's just leave it like that. Next, you get some dainty daisies. Now these are almost like a milky color. These are really, really pretty. Once again, really flat on the back. I'm not sure what they feel like because I don't want to open them yet. A piece of tape stuck to me. But I just love how soft these flowers are. Really, really pretty. And then another box exclusive, and this thing is huge. I think this is bigger than the bottle of sea beads from last month, or last box. These are all full of rhinestones and flowers. Once again, following the pink, yellow, purple, and blue theme. And then we have some of these little flower clays in matching colors. Look how pretty that is. These should be easy enough to use. I'm not going to open this one up either. Can I? There's too many colors to display each one, but there we go. That's a lot of fun. That is a lot of bling. So here you go. This is what you get in the Magic Meadow box that has been released this month. So lots of great flowery themed items, and they're not specifically just spring. Like I said, here's fall here. Even this one can be fall or summer. It has that feel to it. Now these ones are more of the spring because of the nice colors, but no, summer for here too. Like look how bright and bold these are. I'm rambling. These are great. I don't know what I'm talking about, but these are fantastic. I can't wait to play with them. So last box, it looks like I only created 4 cards using them. This one was using the seed beads from that big jar. I found that I just needed a couple clear ones that I put into that. Not using much of the product at all, but it did add just a little bit of texture to this. I like how it kind of exploded out of there. This one used a bit more. All the different little elements here I added, kind of matching the paper on this butterfly card. And each one has a little bit of texture to it. And I'm following the butterflies as they move along the card. I like this card. This one has a little bit of texture and dimension. I like the little leaf or the wings that kind of lifted. And then I created these 2 cards using the buttons that came in the card kit, and these are just using them as embellishments, just accents, and this one is following the banners as if it's raining and just adding a couple of buttons there. So I only did create the 4 cards in the last 8 months with the box. That is perfectly fine. I am happy. As long as I create at least 1 card with the product, then I am saying that's a pretty good success. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let's see what I create in by the next 8 months. 8 months? That's not right. Not 8 months, 8 weeks. I keep saying 8 months. I think it's 8 weeks. That makes more sense. 8 months, that's ridiculous. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you have a fantastic, awesome week, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care. Bye.